This is a paclock 100A. 6 pins, not 7. Serrated spools, the standard. These have the sprung core instead of the dead core. I like them. If I was actually gonna buy shit, if I had anything I really needed to lock up, or if we needed to lock a bunch of stuff up here, I would just buy the paclock system with the key to like. I mean, they're not impossible to pick, but they're alright. And they're made in America. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2. I just had to go through and lift 2 up a little bit more. But we'll do this. Let's do this. That is, just so you can see it, the paclock 100A.